Keziah wa Kariuki couldn't hide her joy as she took to her social media pages na gukorwo agishare ndeto cia magegania muno uhotani munene muno. Ndeto iracokire gukorwo igikungũĩrwo muno ni mafans ake makiyumiria na njira nene muno gukenanira na Keziah wa Kariuki, makiuga ma ni akenu muno ni ndeto ici na they are genuinely proud of Keziah wa Kariuki. Na Keziah through her social media pages shared this news akiuga she is the new brand ambassador wa Raha Premium Kabagara. Keziah wa Kariuki niwe brand ambassador wa Raha Premium riu, na Keziah shared this akiuga unga sio unga tu, itisha Raha Premium kutoka Joy Millers, chapati ya Raha Premium, ugali ya Kabagara, na aragishare nginya mbica ino ehotorete fiu aki-advertise na go-promote Raha Premium, mutu wa Raha, being the new brand ambassador wa Raha. Na ni ndeto iragikũngũĩrwo na gĩkeno kinene muno, mafans congratulate Keziah wa Kariuki na njira nene muno. This is such a big win for Keziah wa Kariuki. Raha is one of the leading ungas we have in the country, both mutu wa ngima na mutu wa ngano. Raha Premium is among the leading products we have in that sector. Na Keziah wa Kariuki gukorwo akigwatira uhotani uyu as the new brand ambassador ni uhotani munene muno, na mafans marakiyumiria congratulate Keziah wa Kariuki, na onake Keziah akimacokeria ngatho niyo marakorirwo makiyumiria gukenanira uhotani uyu wake na congratulate Sally Wangui akiuga congratulations Keziah, from today ugali ni Kabagara na chapo ni Raha Premium. Keziah agakimwira thanks dear, na onake Grace Kamuobe akiuga I'm sincerely happy for you our girl, congratulations. Keziah agacokia na kuga thanks dear. Onake Joki Mishini Dogo congratulations. Monica Salat congratulations Keziah. Regina Mwai love this, take it as a video, I like how you laugh. Onake Keziah akimwira inakuja, na onake Precious Mary our girl is winning, congratulations mama. Na Keziah responded akimwira thank you with this ka emoji. Na indeed ni ndeto cia magegania muno na uhotani munene muno kuri Keziah wa Kariuki. She is the new face of Raha, na congratulations to her, congratulations for this win, all the best. Na ndugakiriganirwo gusubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update, subscribe now.